Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to make TikTok account private. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. We are going to make our TikTok account private. Click on the TikTok app, click on the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now you can make your account private by clicking on privacy, and if it is turned off then you have to, now it's being public, you have to click on it and turn it on, then your account will be private. In this case your account is private. You can maintain your all privacy on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.